Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to go over a safety bulletin that can keep you and your loved ones safe in the garage and in the shop while working on your vehicle. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we are going to go through a safety bulletin today. It's going to keep you and your loved ones safe in the shop or garage while you're working on your vehicles. Hey, tools are great and everything, and they can keep us safe, just like our, safety goggles and our safety masks. They can keep us all safe. But as every mechanic knows, and if you've been working in a garage or a shop long enough, sometimes things happen. And that's what you're going to see here in today's video. So, hey, might be a little shocking, but check it out. And remember, keep your head on a swivel when you're in your shop or garage. Stay safe.
Better video. See what you guys are actually doing.
That's what we got. Hold up. Yeah, you're right. We gotta twist wing just a little. So that side in, this side out. Bring it up just a little. Right there. Oh! Stop! All right, guys, there you have it. A little bit of safety for you right there. What to look out for, how quick things can actually turn sideways right there in the shop or garage. And hey, you know what? It happens. Thankfully, everyone kept a cool head, and we were able to get that motor off of my finger. And we see it's bending, and it's not tender or anything. We're good to go and able to finish that car up. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out another episode right here on the channel. I'm glad to actually put safety out there because it's so important while we work on our vehicles, guys. So thank you so much for checking out another great episode here on the channel. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner and hit the bell notification. That way you get notified of all the videos I release in the future and saving you loads and loads of money in this year up to come. So, hey, thank you so much, guys. And until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.